Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage home screen widgets on iPhone 16 Pro. First, I'm gonna show you how to remove a widget. To remove a widget from home screen, press and hold on the widget you want to remove. When all of the apps start wiggling, you can click on minus, then remove, and now the widget is removed. I can do the same with the other one. To add a widget, tap on edit, then add widget, and now you can choose either a widget from suggestions app here, or scroll down and choose an app from which you will choose a widget. I'm gonna choose a Smart Stack. Smart Stack allows you to have multiple widgets in one window. So I'm gonna choose, you can choose the size. I'm gonna choose this type of widget. And now to edit it, click on it. And here you can view all of the widgets that are within the stack. I'm gonna remove the Photos widget, but I'm gonna click on plus and add a widget, for example, from batteries. Let's add this one and place it here. You can see now that the Smart Stack is created. I can scroll through it to view different data from the widget, like so. And that's how you manage widgets on iPhone 16 Pro. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.